Hi there, this is Shuai. Here's a quick start guide on how to use Thunderbit. In this quick video, we're going to cover the basic stuffs such as how to use Thunderbit AI to scrape website, setting up pagination, subpage, and more. Thunderbit is an AI web scraper that lets you scrape data from any website in just 2 clicks. It's like having someone to read the entire web page and then jot down the data to Excel. Now let's take a look at the user interface here. In order to scrape data, Thunderbit really needs 2 things: where your data lives, and then what your result table should look like. The first thing is what we call a data source, and then the output table headers are the scraper templates. Now let's go to the website we want to scrape for, and then click AI Suggest Fields. Now what Thunderbit is doing is reading the entire website on the left, and then taking its best guess on how to structure the output table. Each field contains 3 properties: field name, field data type, and then field AI prompt. In this case, whenever you click on AI Suggest Fields, our AI is going to write the prompt for you based on the data that's already existing on the current website. And it will also add examples to make sure AI fully understands how to extract for this field. Now the next thing you have to do is to click Scrape. You're done. Now let's wait for the result to come in. Here it is. Now let's say I want the product name to be in Spanish. It's easy, just click here and then edit the field AI prompt, delete the for example, and then add in Spanish. Click save, click scrape again. It's done. Now let's talk about pagination. Pagination basically means turning pages. There are 2 types of paginations. The first one is called a click pagination, such as this website. This website contains in total of 10 pages. The other one is called infinite scroll. It basically means you can scroll indefinitely, and it's going to load more as you scroll. Now let's learn click pagination first. First, let's choose click pagination, and then choose the next button on this page, which in this case is the right arrow on this page, and then click it. Make sure to set number of pages you want to scrape. In this case, I'm just going to do it as an example, so I'm using 3. Click next, and then click scrape. We're done. Click pagination comes in different forms. You can set up a click pagination on a button like this as well. View more. The same goes for infinite scroll. You can set up pretty easily just by clicking the infinite scroll here. Alright, that's it. Now, let's learn how to scrape subpages. Subpage scraping means to let Thunderbit drill down each individual URL to scrape the content inside, and then add the newly scraped information back to the original table. So for example, in this directory listing page, it does not contain any email or phone number information. Those information is actually listed inside of each individual subpage, for example over here. To scrape those information, let's scrape the listing page here first. Click AI Suggest Fields. Now AI suggested we can actually get the profile URL as a field, and then we can go ahead and set up the subpage. Click here, choose which URL for Thunderbit AI to drill down into, then click next. Now Thunderbit is open up the first subpage to determine what's worth gathering inside of this page. In this case, we will probably only want email address and phone number, so let's delete the rest. Then click Save. And then click Scrape. Notice that it's asking you to scrape using your own browser or Thunderbit Cloud. This is very important, guys. Browser scraping means Thunderbit takes control of one of your tabs for the scraping job. This is the best option if the website has a login or contains email addresses or phone numbers. But if not, for example, e-commerce websites, public directory, etc., you can use cloud scraping. Cloud scraping is way faster than browser scraping. Matter of fact, it's about 50 to 100 times faster if you have a lot of subpages. In this case, let's choose cloud scraping because it's a public website. Click continue. All right. Here we go. We get our data. Finally, box scraping. I know a lot of you guys already have pre-existing list of links that you want to scrape for. In this case, you can use box scraping. For now, it can handle up to 2,000 links at a time, but we're scaling it up as we speak. To use it, first click paste URLs, and then copy-paste the URLs you already have into the text box here. I would strongly suggest that you input only the URLs in the same domain, and then choose between cloud scraping versus browser scraping. Then click AI Suggest Fields. Then click Scrape. That's it. Pretty straightforward. Alright guys, this is the very basic tutorial on how to use Thunderbit AI Web Scraper. Hope you like it. If you like it, click the like button below. Until next time, peace.